I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Xbox connects to Bluetooth. While Xbox consoles do not natively support Bluetooth audio for headsets, their controllers do utilize Bluetooth for connecting to other devices like PCs and mobile phones. We'll explore the nuances of this connectivity, including how to indirectly use Bluetooth audio with your console and why native support isn't available. This guide will help you understand the best ways to integrate your wireless accessories. Modern Xbox controllers, specifically those released with the Xbox One S and newer, incorporate Bluetooth technology. This allows them to connect wirelessly to personal computers, tablets, and smartphones, offering versatile gaming on multiple platforms. However, it's crucial to remember that this Bluetooth functionality is distinct from the proprietary wireless connection used to link the controller directly to your Xbox console. Older Xbox One controllers and the original Elite series One do not feature Bluetooth capabilities. Since Xbox consoles lack native Bluetooth audio, you'll need a workaround for your wireless headphones. One common method involves using a third-party Bluetooth audio transmitter. You can plug this device into your television's audio output, such as a 3.5mm jack, or even a USB port on the console itself. Once connected, you can pair your Bluetooth headphones directly to the transmitter, allowing you to enjoy game audio wirelessly through your TV or console's output. The primary reason Xbox consoles don't natively support Bluetooth audio is performance. Xbox utilizes a dedicated low-latency wireless protocol designed specifically for gaming accessories. This proprietary connection ensures minimal audio delay, often less than 20 milliseconds, and a stable, high-bandwidth link, which is critical for competitive gameplay. Bluetooth, while convenient, typically introduces higher latency, potentially causing a noticeable lag between on-screen action and the corresponding sound, impacting your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.